Good afternoon, everybody. This happens to be one of our customers' car. His name is Tim. This happens to be the Cobra replica 427. And we're gonna put Tim on and let him tell you what his experience has been with us. This happens to be a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Tim was one of the only customers I've seen in a while that says the motor runs extremely cool. At first he came in and said 160, and now he's got it running just under 180. And I says, that's a great complaint to have. Let me tell you, this thing is beautiful. I'm circling this car. This is awesome. Hey Tim, you want to fire it up?
Sure.
Fire this bad boy up. Let him hear what this thing sounds like. Wow, you don't have to even look at this. Ain't no stepping on the gas, nothing. Listen to this thing. Man, is that nice. Beautiful, beautiful installation. I can't pick on him. I'm looking at everything. We brought it up here. We thought maybe we'd mess around with it, but we can't even mess around with it. It's running so beautiful. It's gorgeous. But here's the real kicker. We got it's a 427 Cobra, but this actually happens to be one of our 408 Windsor Strokers. Sure the heck sounds like a 427. And he says he took a Z06 out, right? Z06? The Corvette? Man, nice. Really, really nice. Can you step on that a little bit for us, Tim? I want to hear this thing. You don't have to go crazy. I just like to hear it come off idle a little bit. You can shut it off. Tim, now let me ask you a real hard question.
Sure.
Are you happy with your motor?
I couldn't be more pleased. Right from the moment we picked it up, the motor sat for maybe a week, two at the max, dropped it in the car, fired up first shot. Put a little bit of gas in it right away. Didn't have to adjust timing, nothing at all. It's just, it is what it is, straight out of the box.
Was your experience with us well worth it?
Excellent, excellent. I'm so lucky that you guys are in my hometown. So I encourage everybody to come out and get themselves a crate engine.
I thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy it.